Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve match has stopped. To know how to fix or how to solve match has stopped, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to the window of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data here. And then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.